Can you hear me? Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I can hear you now. All right. So, should we start, sir, or anybody else
Yeah.
have a?
No, no. Get start.
Okay. All right. Just a brief introduction. My name is Shakil. I'm the managing partner at Skylights Energy, and
Okay.
our company is based in Bangalore. And we are primarily focused on developing software. Our core area is developing software for the power industry,
Okay.
and we have currently multiple software products available with us. One of them is Switchology, which means we do uh, energy analytics using our gateway device.
Okay.
So that's the reason we have come here for the meeting. But may I know a little bit about your firm, sir, your interest?
Yeah. As of now, we are into EV charging stations.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I need to monitor the power, all scenarios of powers
Okay, okay,
consuming, and if any power cut also, we should know online itself.
okay, okay, okay,
Voltages, power consumption, everything.
okay, okay, okay. So,
We're using multifunction meter. I think already it has a 485 output.
okay, okay. So our experience is basically coming out of, let me share my screen also,
Okay.
and then I can show you a live demo of how we can do what you're asking for.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I had explained, our industry is Skylights Energy. I hope my screen is visible.
Yeah. It's visible.
Okay, so our industry is called Skylights Energy. We based in Bangalore, and we are focused on multiple software products. One of them I mentioned is Switchology, which is energy management system analytics. We do have other softwares in the pipeline, that is Switchonomy, which is panel estimation for electric control panels. And this is vendor stocks, which is B2B platform for buying and selling of switchgear products. And Stella panel is we also sell electric control panels online.
Okay.
So the reason I showed you this is we come with a strong background of electric control panels. So our
Okay.
parent firm is a company called Star Switchgear, so which is basically my father's company, which is based in Bangalore for over 45 years now. So we
Okay.
manufacture low voltage and medium voltage control panels at that firm. So with the learnings of what we know about electric control panels and the energy monitoring solutions that we have provided so far, we have this software called Switchology. So what it does is we provide you a gateway device which will connect to any brand meters. It can be ABB or Schneider, L-Measure, L&T. So once we connect our gateway device to this, this is the gateway device. Once we connect our gateway device to these meters, then we are automatically able to take the data from these meters through a MOSFET protocol, which is RF25 port.
Is the gateway with SIM or Wi-Fi?
No, this gateway does not have any inbuilt system inside. It works with
Okay.
Wi-Fi and LAN port. So you can
Okay.
directly connect to your internet LAN, or if you
Yeah.
want to have a SIM connection, then we have an add-on device, like a data dongle, which you
Okay.
directly
Got it.
connect to the SIM. And that is a USB data dongle. You can directly connect that USB into this gateway device, and it will start giving the data over the internet.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. So now those are the flexibilities of our gateway device. So we have this device which can categorize, which can take data from up to 25 meters. So one gateway device can connect up to 25 meters. And the benefit of this gateway device is there is no monthly charge, there is no annual charge, because the gateway device by itself is a server. So
Okay. Okay.
our gateway device will have a subscription to a server on the cloud.
Okay.
So
Got it.
our device is zero cloud, which means we are not depending on any other service, any other
Okay.
third-party service. So this device will have its own server. It will store the data inside this device only, and
Hmm.
when you connect it to the internet, you are accessing the IP address of this device. So you are
Okay.
able to see the data from this device only.
Okay.
If you do not have,
So if there is no internet and if we don't want a cloud, then directly we can log into this server and check details.
Exactly, exactly. So that is the internet needed only for remote access purpose. So
Okay,
that is the benefit of here. If you do not have internet or if you don't have a SIM card or LAN cable connection, then you can directly connect to this gateway device with an IP address through Wi-Fi.
okay, fine.
So a couple of other benefits is it manages multiple users. So any number of users can log into this device and see as a viewer. But if you like to change the settings of the device, then you have to log in as an admin.
Okay,
And so, like I had explained, the brand comparability, you can monitor data from ABB Schneider, any of the meters that is available with the RS protocol, MOSFET protocol.
okay,
And meter capacity, I have explained, 25 digital meters can be connected. And the data integrity, you can take up to 1 second data if you require.
okay,
And smart control option is also available, wherein if you want to give a command to this gateway device and trigger a relay, that option is also available. Without the need of PLC, this gateway device will give a trigger signal to relay.
okay,
If you'd like to trigger an alarm or a sound or an annunciator, those kind of
okay.
options are also available. And
How many channels?
we have up to 8 relays in built in, up to eight
Okay, built in.
you can get.
Okay,
And local access, like you had asked, you can access this device with a local IP address directly.
okay,
So these are the benefits of it. And so at this, okay, so that is the entire explanation about our gateway device. And here are some meters that we have already programmed. These are all our RS-25 MOSFET protocol meters. Like this, any of the meters we can be programmed.
okay,
I will directly log into our gateway system and I will show you how it will look like. As soon as we log in, then this is the gateway dashboard that you will be able to see, wherein it will give you complete information about the gateway device. So the
okay.
serial number for it, the default MAC address, the device MAC address, and
Hmm.
the IP address that you can log in locally. So it will tell you the software release, how many days it has been running, and what is the temperature of the gateway device, what is the RAM usage, what is the speed currently undergoing, what is the storage capacity, and how many relays that we have connected so far.
Okay,
So if you like to add additional meters to this gateway device, then you'll have to come to this tab wherein you can simply click on add meter. So it will
okay,
take you to a screen wherein you can choose the make of the meter. You can choose the model of the meters that you want to connect to, give a name for this meter. Then automatically, depending on the make and the model, the communication device settings has already been pre-programmed. So it
okay,
will give you the baud rate, the data bits, and all these programs. Then you will have to simply click on test connections. And once you give on test connections, then it will communicate to that device. The most important thing is the meter ID. So all meters by default come with an default slave ID as one. So you
okay,
can program it in your meter saying whichever default IDs that you want to change. If it's
fine.
already been taken, then it will not let you. So you have to change it to something which is not being taken, and then do
Okay,
test connections. So once the test connection is okay, the meter is able to communicate, then you will be able to see that the strength of the signal is very good. So once the device is being added, then you can click here. You can see that this device has all these parameters. You can choose whichever parameters. These are all the parameters that we have already mapped to that device. So you can see the address for those parameters and you can change. If you do not like those parameters, then you can remove and add any of those parameters that you want. So like
okay,
that, all of that customization can be done here. So once the device has been added to the gateway, then you can directly click on energy monitoring. Then you click on view dashboard. Then we have added 4 meters. So you can click any one of these meters and you will be able to see the energy parameters for that device. So you can see that the device is currently in on state. The load that we have given here is about 35 VA, and this is the energy that it is accumulating over time. This is the reading that every user will be looking at, right? So a lot of
yeah,
people will be monitoring every month what is the reading in my unit.
yeah,
This is the unit reading that is coming out of the device. This is the energy consumption as of right now. It is getting updated every 5 seconds, and this is the maximum load that that meter has already experienced. and this is the current load based on the maximum load. So 3.93 divided by 198, that is 17%, is the current load of the device. So this is the voltage across it, the voltage phase to neutral voltage, the frequency of the device, the power factor, and across each individual phase, R phase, Y phase, and B phase. And likewise, we are connected through single phase, that's why you're able to see only in R phase.
Okay.
The other two phases are not showing any load. Similarly, the current values, and this is the historical value that you are able to see. If the meter has harmonics values, that also can be seen. So this is the historical value. If you like to take data from any of these charts, there is a option for you to do that by just by clicking on inspect and data. You are able to see that value that is the data has been captured.
Okay.
So across R phase, Y phase, and B phase, this is the value that the meter value is getting captured. So you can directly download it in CSV format and you can export it. So this is a dashboard for each meter. Okay, this is one
Okay.
particular meter.
Hmm.
So like this, we are able to see all the other meters which is available here. The other dashboards that we can create. Also, by the way, any of these dashboards are fully customizable. Like for example, if you don't like to see this kind of chart, then you can fully change it according to our chart format. There is a
Okay.
full chart available that you can show, or there are bar charts. There are over 25 different charts that you can change, and accordingly the data will change. And or if you like to see only the values coming out of the meters in table format, that also can be shown. So these are all the different charts that you can show, and that option is also available. Let's say I go back and set it up to this kind of chart, and this is and the same. The anything that you see here is fully customizable according to how your customer likes to see. And you like to see this particular value in a fully different chart, or if you like to see it in a full screen like this, that can also be seen. If you like to see zoom in a particular value that what happened in this particular region, then you can see, this is the data point that we got, and you zoomed in into that region. So the visual interface is there is no other software that can provide you this level of complication in terms of visual interface. So we have the highest advantage in showing the customer what they want.
Okay. Suppose if I want to know from morning till evening
Yes.
in a particular date, how many times power cut was there?
Yeah, that option also we have. Those kind of data charts can also be provided. This device has only, because I switched it on right now, it only has the last 30 minutes data. But
Okay.
when I worked it last time, let me see, last 90 days if I put it, then the entire charts will be updated for 90 days. Let's see if I'm able to see any data actually last 30 days. So if I run this query for the last 30 days, it will show me every time I switch on this device. That way you're able to see if there is any value that you can see during that time. Yeah, it's taking a little bit of time to pull in now. But yeah, so those kind of data can also be seen there. If you like to
Okay.
see when the meter was switched on, when the ED was switched on, when the DC was switched on, that option is also available with us.
Okay.
Okay. So now,
One second. I'm getting a call.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. You can continue.
Okay. Okay. So now, with that, I'd like to show you a couple of other tasks that we have. This is the fully customizable dashboard, which means you can change according to how you'd like to see. For example, let me show you one more value that we have. Yeah, so this is a different gateway device wherein we have about 5 or 6 meters connected. And so this is like a commercial building, which
Okay.
that the landowner is installed it so that he can generate the strong bills out of it. And he'd like to see the energy consumption for each individual floor. So they have first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and basement. And he's using this device in order to generate the strong bills so that he can give the bills for these individual tenants and they can pay that money to his account. So this is an application that is practically running at the moment. So this you'll
Okay.
be able to see the energy consumption across the last month, what the total energy consumption was, and then you're also able to see the each individual energy split across different floors. So you can see the last month this particular green main EV meter is the highest. If I remove that and seeing all the other tenants that have been using it, then I'll be able to see that this is how the energy is being split across the each individual tenant. And the
Okay.
highest energy consumed across this each individual tenant is by the first floor, which is a bank customer who has been consuming that much amount of energy. So this can
So
be
how many gateways you have installed there?
only one, sir.
Only one gateway.
Yeah, one gateway which is showing about 6 meters data, and
Okay.
all 6 meters, each individual bill is generated.
Okay.
So that these are kind of practical applications that can be done. We have clients who are using it across colleges, where across ISRO lab, which is using it to monitor the energy consumed across each individual labs. We have clients who are using it across uh, who is a particular factory, like a dairy factory, and they're using it for to understand how much ice cream is generated for that much amount of energy. So they
Got
do
it.
PPI analysis. So that kind of applications are also available.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the other feature that I was telling you about. We have an option here for KPI. So KPI means key performance indicators. So which means you can add any production values that you're doing out of a factory if you'd like to
Okay.
monitor how much energy is consumed for the production that you have done across the factory. So those kind of options are also available. This is the dashboard for those KPI values. So you can enter in what is it, whatever is your production from the factory. The other thing that we have is we can simulate the entire factory in a SCADA format. So that feature is also available wherein you can simply by clicking and dragging the meters that you have connected to the gateway device. These are the 4 meters that we have connected. So you can simply add that meter and then connect this meter to a particular load or an asset that you have in the factory, and it will start showing you the values for that. So this entire thing is fully customizable. We can design it according to the factory, and you are able to see this once we save it. You are able to see the entire factory in one screen with the meters and the asset that is connected to that particular meter. This is the other feature that we have. We have a SCADA version of it. So you're able to monitor it here. So all these parameters that I've showed you till now is only monitoring, and we're doing a lot of energy analytics for it. The other thing that we have is let me go through that alert system also. So the other thing that we have is any of these parameters, values that is coming out, you can also set up alerts for it. So if the value goes beyond a particular threshold, then you can set up an alert saying you want an email to be sent out, and a WhatsApp or an SMS to be sent out. Those kind of features are also available where you can trigger the plant manager to say that something is happening here based on your alert. And in addition to all of that, we also have relay configuration, like I told you before. We have relay setup, so which you can trigger remotely, and we have an instant control option wherein you can trigger from the gateway device by switching on or off a relay, and you can group multiple relays to do one job, or you can schedule the relays to do periodic jobs, so like you can switch on or off an AC during the morning or night.
You can set the time.
You can set the time, and you can say, every week you have to schedule it according to that time. Or so that we have three different models here, right? So one is the instant control, you can sit here and switch on or off. Second is the schedule it, you automatically let it do what you want it. Third is an automatic depending on the data. So depending on the value that the meter is giving you, you want to switch on or off this particular relay. Those options are also available. So this is in terms of the controls. So we have relay configuration also available. Now, the other feature that we have, like I explained, one of the customer is taking best from builds out of this gateway device. That option is also provided, wherein the tariff for that particular region can be entered, and according to the tariff, the best from bill will get generated. So this is from date to date, and then you can generate the bill, and accordingly the bill will get generated. This particular meter doesn't have any data. Yes. So this is the format that is available. So the final thing that we have is because gateway device is its own server, it is its own database. We are providing an option wherein the gateway device can be backed up. Just by putting a USB drive into the gateway device, you can back up all the data into the USB drive. Or we have options wherein you can take a backup to a remote server and then keep it as your backup. So these are all the options that is available in our gateway device. May I know what kind of applications are you looking for, so we can try and provide you a solution.
Yeah. Have you given any done any projects for EV stations, EV charging stations?
No, sir. EV systems we have not. So far we have not.
Okay. Main thing is power monitoring and those details.
Okay, okay. So power monitoring, you just want to show them the monthly report, yearly report. What is it that you want to show, sir?
Yeah, daily consumption and the main thing from morning till in 24 hours, how many power cut has happened, any voltage fluctuations, any phase issues, to monitor those continuously.
Perfect. Yeah, we can do a report according to that. So as soon as power shutdown happens, you want a relay to
Yeah,
be triggered, or you want the alarm, or you want email.
alarm or any API also, it's good. 2 hours of CMS, anything.
You do have your own EMS server?
Yeah, we have our own CMS.
Okay.
If you push it to our CMS, it will be better.
So may I know your service, uh, how do I access your server? Do you have a name?
We can give you API, no issue. We can push it to that.
Okay, all right. So what is the name of your server, sir? What is the name of your
No, we have to set up it. As of now, we have for CMS, we are using it. As per your requirement, we can develop it, no issue.
Oh, I see. Okay. So are you providing, is it in the field right now working somewhere, or are you trying to set something up?
Already, charging sessions are up and running now.
Okay.
I want to monitor the power because we are not able to uh, differentiate between the power actually using and what's going on there. We have
Okay.
to get an actual analyzation. That's why we
Okay.
are new to this EV charging station.
Okay.
We are planning for 25 stations shortly.
Okay.
So if we get the reports, it will be very good, easy to analyze those things.
So,
Efficiency we can get.
so reports meaning you would like to know whenever there is a power outage or if there is
Yeah.
a voltage fluctuation,
Uh,
those things
yeah.
you want to know immediately. Plus,
Immediately. Yeah.
you also want a report every time this kind of thing happens.
Yeah. And overall power consumption also we will get, right.
Yeah, overall power consumption you will get that whenever you want to take out energy consumption report, that can be done.
Yeah. Because now what's happening, Bescom meter chemical is there. We have to note it down that, and in again that in the DC chargers will, now you're using 60 kilowatt chargers. Again in CMS we will get the report. Those we have to check it manually.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah. So Bescom will not give you this kind of information. I mean, if there is power factor issues, then they will give it to you at the end of the month with a penalty. Right?
Yeah.
So those kind of things can be avoided here.
Yeah.
We can do that, sir. But
Okay.
because you're starting a setup now, you know your background, sir. I mean, what?
We are into electrical and electronic software also. We want to point of sale.
Okay, okay,
This is
okay.
the new venture we are doing for EV stations.
Oh, I see. So you don't provide the services similar to this in terms of EV services.
Yeah.
Okay. May I know the name of your firm, sir?
CV Technologies.
Similar solution.
SIMI technologies.
Okay. But when I tried to do some research, I wasn't able to find those devices. Is it available online?
Uh, it's the name of VTech technology. I'll send you the details website.
Yeah, please do share. And maybe we can see how to work with it.
VTechEVcharge.com.
Sorry, sir, which one?
VTechEVcharge.com. I'll
We evcharge.com.
yeah. It's a new start.
Okay, perfect. Do you have a solution of this sort wherein you have your gateway device which is monitoring the data?
No. Those things we don't have. We only do give charging solutions. Only that one for the end user.
Okay, understood. Okay. Then this will be a very ideal solution wherein you can provide value addition to your customers.
Yeah.
So we can tell them, once you install our panel, then we are monitoring it so that you can get instant alert.
Yeah. In this VTech, we are giving end-to-end solution for charging. We provide six chargers and we provide CMS.
Okay. Are you using any service for EMS or are you designing yourself
Our own.
your own? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Fine,
Now,
sir.
likewise, this is our chargers. It's going live. This is a live one.
Sorry, sir, this is a live one means?
One second, I'll show you. Just click on that. Come down.
Yeah.
View current charges.
Here?
Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah. See, this one is live session going on.
Oh, I
You are
see. Okay.
seeing charging, right?
Okay.
It's a live session.
Okay. Nice, sir. Excellent. Okay. How are you doing this, sir? This?
It's a web socket.
Okay. Okay. So you're providing this option to the customer saying it is currently charging.
Yeah. And if the charges are free, it will show available.
Oh, excellent. Wow. Okay. Lovely, sir. Okay. So that they are able to see it on their mobile phone itself.
Yeah.
Do they have to install an app to see this?
This one they don't. They can see without app. If they install app, they can see more details.
Okay. View target page, and this here you can see the view on target means so at the moment it is showing only one target.
Yeah. Just installed on 1 month back.
Oh,
Our website's work is going on in Kunigal and Hassan Road and all. It's going on.
okay. So this would be an ideal opportunity where we can work together.
Yeah.
So we can provide you an option where what is the current status of the charger.
Yeah.
You can monitor it across all the locations.
Yeah.
So,
Because the charges will be around 60 kilowatt and 120 kilowatt. The thing is that the efficiency of the chargers will be around 94-95%.
right.
So if you compare with the main meter and the charger meter, we'll come to the exact efficiency.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. Right, exactly. So are these meters already with RS-25 communication protocol?
Yeah, I had ordered something. L measure. I can send you the
L-measure works
details of the
perfect.
meter.
Yeah, L-measure works perfect. We have installed more L-measure meters than any other meters.
Okay.
Because their flexibility in adding those meters is very easy. So this particular meter is an L-measure meter only.
Okay.
400, which I'm
Okay.
showing you for demo right now. That is an L-measure meter.
Okay. Fine.
So we can work with L-measure, no issue.
Hmm. About your costing and all, you should not be more.
Yeah, so we do have multiple options. Uh, so we do have multiple options for costing. So the gateway device, which I'm telling you, is about yeah, 75,000, which can communicate up to 25 meters. But
The
then
thing
we,
is that for one side we'll be having only one meters
yeah,
because
correct.
only one device will be there.
Yeah, correct. So because it is just 1 meter in your case, we do have options wherein you can install just a gateway device which will monitor it, and you can do everything for 1 meter only.
Yeah.
It will be a much scaled down version of it. And
Mm.
the costing I will I'll send you an
That's
email
what.
quotation.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so I will send you a quotation for the costing of it. So may I know how many locations you might be having orders for?
Around minimum 20.
Minimum 20 sites you might be having. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Then I will give you the quotation for 20, and then you can let me know how it works out for you.
Okay. Elmeasure we're using earth leakage relay also. I don't know whether it has RS485.
They
Just
do
check.
have, they have VLR relays with RS-25 also. If
Okay.
you want to tap that also, we can tap it.
And multi-function meter Schneider,
Ah,
Easy Logic EM6436H.
perfect, no problem. EM6436, no? I think that is what we have, EM6400.
Oh,
So that also we can tap.
okay, fine.
So you have one multifunction meter and one ELR.
One ELR.
But you said L measure, that is not there?
Elmeasure ELR. Not
Okay,
the.
ELR is L measure. Okay.
No, for next site I can change according to your requirement. It's not an issue.
No problem, sir. We can work. It's all the same for us.
Yeah.
It is Schneider, L measure, whichever one, it is the same for us. So we can do Schneider. It's okay. Schneider is actually a better meter.
Okay.
So we can do Schneider 4 meter and ELR L measure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this we can do. And what about data, sir? Because if these are remote sites, you might
Yeah.
not have internet connection. So we.
Internet, we without internet our chargers won't work. We'll be having internet.
Oh, perfect. So your charges will come with internet.
Yeah, we'll be having on router there,
Perfect.
and inside every charger there will be also SIM also.
Oh,
So
perfect.
we'll be having internet.
Then you can just give me one LAN cable to my gateway. Then we are all good.
Okay, fine.
Okay, perfect, sir. Ideal. Then I can give you a quote according to this configuration.
Yeah.
We can give you a demo also,
Okay.
demo device, and you can check and see how you would like to get the report out. Once we are
Okay.
finalized on the reports, then we can, or and even the alerts also. Once we are
Okay.
okay with the alerts, then we can meet this for 20 meters.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And
Perfect.
so we are a startup, so the pricing should be very less. Don't price much higher.
Yeah, I understand. It will be most competitive, and we will give you the most best price because your application is only to monitor the meter data. That's it.
Yeah.
You're not looking for any alerts, as in you're not looking for relay alerts,
I
right?
don't want many reports. Minimum reports are required. That's all.
Yeah, yeah, that I understand. And so these alerts, we will send you email alerts. So that is
Yeah.
okay because if you want SMS, then that becomes an additional device.
No, you can push to our server itself. It will be better. I'll give you a API.
Yeah, so then we will push it to your server only. That's best.
Yeah, it will be better. No third party
Yeah,
integration will be.
yeah, yeah, yeah. We can do that. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Any other question you have for us, sir?
Anyway, nice meeting you. I'll be contacting you via mail, and uh, I provide softwares for many companies like PEPs and so many industries. So if they require any of the details like this, I will surely recommend them.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. If you're available sometime next week, then we can meet in person.
Yeah, sure.
You're
You can come to Tumkur. We can check our plant. If any thing you can do, you
definitely,
can
sir. Yeah, yeah. Your office is located in Tumkur, sir?
Tumkur itself. Yeah.
Okay. So we have customers in Vijayanagara industrial area.
Okay, okay, okay.
We do come there quite often.
Okay, next time when you come, you can just meet.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
I
Okay.
think almost all industries can utilize these kind of reports.
Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Definitely, sir. So your address is there in the website.
Yeah, location is there.
Location is there.
SSIT. It's very easy address.
Okay.
SSIT College.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. So next time when I come there,
Yeah,
then I'll call and then I'll come, sir.
yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. You can come with your gateway and give a live demo also. No?
Yeah. So sure, sure. We can do something like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.